Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2014 Ram 1500 Express. Stock number 28489AT. Real nice truck. Only got 36,000 miles on it. I believe it's deep cherry in color. Of course, this is the Express. You got the painted bumpers. Sharp truck. It is a 4x4. 5.7 Hemi. Fog lamps. 20-inch chromes. Tires are in good shape. It is the full crew cab. Chrome running boards. Chrome door handles to match. Smoked rain guards. Now this is the diesel gray interior and color, cloth. Nice console in the middle, you flip it up. Get the third person in here. There's a satellite radio. Tow package, tow brake here from the factory integrated. Cruise control. Power locks, mirrors, windows. It is a manual seat. Interior is nice and clean. Just a nice clean truck. Somebody took care of this. It is a trade-in here. 8-speed transmission on this. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the 6-speed transmission. Plastic bed liner. Dual chrome tipped exhaust. I chromed out this handle here for the tailgate. Truck's in great shape. Tow mirrors. Again, 2014 Ram 1500. 4x4 crew cab, 36,000 miles. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.